Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Modit from Incredible Android. First, these are the requirements that you must have. A rooted phone, Lucky Patcher, latest version of YouTube, and some common sense. So you can get many features for free. Firstly, install the Lucky Patcher. To install the Lucky Patcher, follow the instructions on the left side. After installing the Lucky Patcher, open the Lucky Patcher, grant it the root permission. After you granted the root permission, click on search and search YouTube. Tap on it. Now tap on menu of patches. It will show you a warning. Just click on yes. Then tap on custom patches. Select the latest patches of 2018 as the date is written beside the patch. Tick the patches which I am doing. These patches will enable many different types of features like background playback, picture-in-picture mode which is only available for premium subscription but it will be free, and also the dark mode which is the highlight of YouTube. Make sure don't take the disable dark mode, otherwise it will disable the dark mode for YouTube. Now click on apply. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes. I will fast forward it, so don't worry. So now after the patch has been finished, there you will see green and the red ones. The green means that the patch is successful and the red means the patch is not successful. So don't worry, just click on OK. Let me show you the app version of YouTube which I am using. This is the app version that I am using. Now go back and exit the Lucky Patcher, go to the home screen and open YouTube. The first thing you will notice is the dark mode. That looks very nice. Now open any video and click on the home button. As you tap on the home button, the video will be converted in the PIP mode, that is picture-in-picture mode. Now you can move this window anywhere. And if you will tap the video, it will show you some controls that you can play with. If you swipe the window to the bottom, it will be displayed on the notification panel. Just open the notification panel and here you will see a notification of YouTube. You can play here or pause. That's all guys, this is my channel. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I am working so hard. Thanks a lot for your support. Meet you in the next video. Peace.